everyone, this is Courtney Bowles, and I'm going to be showing you my favorite way to retouch skin in Photoshop using the patch tool. I chose this photo of my son because it's pretty straight on and he has plenty of lunch leftovers on his face and I need to remove those. So you choose your patch tool in the tool palette. It's this little guy right here that looks like a patch. And you select the area that needs to be patched over, just like a lasso, and you drag what needs to go to a clean area of skin. Photoshop does all the hard work and uses the clean skin to patch the area that you need to fix. So I normally go around and clean up all the little bits and pieces that need to be taken care of, whether they are dry skin flakes or lunch leftovers, drool for my youngest. It would work well for blemishes and acne on teenagers and adults. Just to clean that up a little bit, and you want to try and match up. It gives you a preview of what you're patching, so you want to try and match up that area a little bit just for ease. So once he is all cleaned up, I'll normally go in and where there are deeper shadows from lighting or whatever that are a little harsh, you can drag that area over too. And if you hit Command Shift F, it brings open this fade dialog. I only like to fade it a little bit because laugh lines and eye bags give people character. So you want to keep the shape of a person's face, but this kind of softens some of those lines from lighting. So, sorry. Once he's all cleaned up, maybe a little under the eye. And I choose 33, so I only have to hit one button. It's just a choice. So that is all cleaned up. Thanks for watching.